In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a blog post into ready-to-publish social content in Buffer using the AI assistant. We'll walk through the entire flow from opening Buffer to scheduling or publishing your post, keeping everything simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening Buffer. When it loads, you'll land on the Publish dashboard. This is your home base for creating and managing content across your social channels. You'll see your connected accounts and any upcoming content. That's a great visual cue to keep your posting consistent. Next, click the New Post button. Buffer will ask you to select your social media channel. Choose the account you want to post to and take a quick second to confirm it's the right one for the content you're sharing. For example, Instagram might call for a more visual, punchy caption, while Facebook allows for a bit more detail. In the post editor, paste your blog post link or drop your blog content directly into the caption area. If you paste a link, Buffer may generate a preview, which can help your audience see what they'll be clicking into. If you paste text, keep only the key parts you want the AI to work with to make the results tighter. Now click AI Assistant at the top, right inside the post editor. This opens a prompt box. Enter your prompt to tell the AI what you want. You can use prompts like, turn this blog post into an Instagram caption, create a Facebook post from this article, or summarize this blog for TikTok. Feel free to specify tone, audience, or length to guide the result. Click Generate and let the AI assistant create your caption. In a moment, you'll see a suggested post appear. Review the AI-generated caption carefully. Make sure it reflects your brand voice, sounds natural, and fits the platform's style. Check any character limits, trim repetitive phrases, and ensure there's a clear call to action if that's important for your goal. Edit the content if needed. This is where you personalize the wording, fine-tune the hook, or adjust the structure. You can also add hashtags or media if needed. Choose relevant hashtags that match your topic and attach images or videos that highlight the main point of your blog. When you're happy with everything, you're ready to publish. Click Schedule Post to plan it for later, or choose Publish immediately to send it out now. That's it. Your blog has been transformed into a polished social post with Buffer's AI assistant, ready to engage your audience.